Alright, yeah, John TV family, welcome back to our next episode on the channel. Yeah, man, in this episode, we have a art review. Yeah, man, we have highlights from Vybz Kartel performance over there in Guyana. Yeah, man, guys are born off the whole ground people, and not with normal. Also, we have highlights from Shawn Storm performance, Bad Siva, Oxo the performance on one part. Yeah, man, and not with normal people. We also have highlights from Beenie Man performance over there at the UBS Arena as well. Yeah, man, we're going to take a look at that. Also, we have a few highlights from Foota Hype performance there at the UBS and Beenie Man show as well. Yeah, man, we're going to take a look at that, man. So first up, we're going to run through the Vybz Kartel performance and see what we're going over in Guyana, and then we segue over to the UBS performance with Beenie Man. You see me, people? Yeah, man, but first up, we're going to kick it off with Bleggy. Because you don't know, Bleggy after bless you growing, Go through my dog.
I don't want you to regret nothing that you are going through right now. And I don't want you to regret nothing that you ever been through. Because it only give you more experience that you don't make the same mistake again when you go forward in life. Remember, say, you have to go through things for have experience in a youth. So whatsoever you go through right now is for a reason, and it only gonna make you stronger going forward. So you know how to deal with any situation. You're gonna know how to deal with friendship. You're gonna know how to deal with relationship. You're gonna know how to deal with people in general. You're gonna know how to deal with family members. So whatsoever you are going through right now is for a reason. All you have to do is just take it with a smile.
Hey, Guyana, clot. Hey, outside. Oh.
Fully active, one Guyana, you hear that? One G-Town, China controller, yeah. Like controller.
GT, we're gonna do it like this. Oh, the undisputed champion of all time. The man who won way part, lyrics paper to pen. Listen me, the general, 13 years. When I say Addy, you say teacher, Addy. When I say voice, you say Kartel voice. When I say run, you say boss. Run. When you ready? Let's go. Yeah. General. Put your confidence in man will take away. No. Guyana, for the more clean, please sing for me. Because I love them, cannot touch them, different God, every day, love them. I take a sip of water. I'm thirsty.
Please do.
Guyana Beenie! Man is wrong! Good. Now see the moon to the right side, sun in the dance. Oh, my God! We ain't gonna want to left me in a chance. But I'm not the alone look for any cancer. Let me see your red man in a sin of Santa. Guyana! It's a fight! And I don't want company to go down. Work hard to be treasure every day and night. Keep at the inner eyesight. Child knows where the strength is. Just in case you didn't know. Them a freak out. Teacher sign me on it. Everybody know about. When bad mind a try stop me, every day me pray chant a songs. I work hard for me treasure every day and night. I'm busy doing for the inner eyesight. Child knows where themselves. Sing about you know. Just in case I didn't know. My life work hard every day, can't now just pray I didn't know. My life, I sweat on my brow, things slow, but me love my eye. Yeah. Guyana. Alright. I want to miss a switchy. Miss a switchy. I want to miss a switchy. Guyana. Why you need to loyalty? Shawn Storm. Never sell out, never switch from the links. We don't do this to loyalty. Shawn Storm. Who are the realest nigga around Kartel? Observe and you will see. Shawn Storm. Say them a girl is on a wake up the cap. Because who them tell me one day. No Shawn Storm. Fully Gaza. Judas in the blood. Some boy man.
Never see you. Not true. Never see you. It's a tape.
Guys on the rail.
There's another big up controller. We just shell Guyana. Like controller.
Hey, jacket expensive.
Let me tell you something. So the catalog extensive. I said the jacket expensive.
Me know.
Big up my brother and my friend, see.
Oh. Hey, it was expensive. And it was expensive. That jacket.
Alright people, so you see it in here, see the performance highlights for yourself. They say, you know, yeah man, Gaza go on the world ground. Yeah man, Gaza shell down Guyana, no joke. Yeah man, you know, see it man. Shawn Storm burn it off to people, and I know normal. Yeah man, I just a few highlights that you know people, because he also have Spice on the show. Spice burn it off to good performance with her, you see me. Yeah man, also Aishana going good to. Yeah man, it's a good look, whole Gaza team, but you see me, yeah man, fully active. They say after the show done, Kartel just reunite with the Gaza ladies again, out again, you see me. Next show again in a Trinidad on the 31st. Bad Silver book for the one that you know people. Yeah man, and I know normal. So alright now, next up we're gonna segue over to the Beenie Man show. We'll see what Zaga going with.
You there, arena, shut down. Yeah, everybody just do well. Nice things can happen. We just come have fun. Zaga, so, done. Just buy one of the the picture? No, she was everything. up in the ring. All of the drums I'm singing. Sing, sing, sing. Oh, my. Oh, na, 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 na. Oh, na, 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 na. What's up? And it's on the motor. And the big fast distance. Luminous Arena! Make some noise! Beenie Man! Make the Beenie Man! This line alone. Oh, na, 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 na. Welcome the guys. Welcome the guys. Welcome the guys. Welcome the guys. You be a Serena. Full of wit together, listen up and put them on the ocean. I know the Lord for the king, I give you the name, I give you the share with the money. You want them to learn something, they full of wit together, listen up and put them on the ocean. I know the Lord for the king, I give you the name. Well, when I never shine, but I'm behind them, I'm going to them, they really want to take it up. I'm going to never buy, but behind them, I'm going to take it up. I'm going to take it down. I'm going to never, I'm going to get the run, it's like this, but I'm going to take it up. Then I feel something, because I know you have you full of me in my name to see. Tell me what you know, come on now. Tell me what you need, come on now. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need. What you need now. Tell me what you want. Think I can get rid of the ghost. And if the love is getting better, man, if you never get up the dollar, and if you never have your banana, you want to know how good love is. You want to know how good love is. And if you love the dollar, but you now get this But if I'm gonna so she find out she just a blow and never dey stop. Certain girl I go and push the low. Me and my friend get her from the show. She get you like a whole lot of girl. She a big somebody said, certain girl I go and push the low. Me and my friend get her from the show. She get you like a whole lot of girl. She a big you guys are in now. Make one light up in here now. Ready again. Pick up the pen and make the right few letters. Invite some guys to fly down in the later. Some of the can stand round the corner. The first familiar upon the veranda. Yeah, tear up the corner. And them a coming on the apartment. The girl them want to get cancel. Speak louder than a feeling. Yeah, tear up the corner. And them a coming on the apartment. The girl them give me a compliment. The other night they got a girl in a new school. She never expect to be in school. Now they got yeah, there's no such a news. We see the girl like back in a new school. We say she never expect to be in school. But now they got one chance. Why you get to get me a fee bigger man? Why you get to get me a feel of a man? Get to get big up on the summer gun. Shocking 5 to will up on the summer gun. Why you get to get me a feel of a man? Why you get to get me a feel of a man? Get to get big up. So when you jump the jammer. When the rock send the mangle and send come send the champion. When they go set to the man in the devil who can stand the better? It's trouble about this place. The girl them a rush because them love all me say. Take a president for the president. Being on the mansion them want come. But that's how I make it up to stay with a pump. Woman kick them a chop. Be the show the show. Be the show the show. I'm coming to the day. I need this is so cool. Make me like to me. You're the champion man. We're never back with them money. Thank you for the street. You're the hardest man. One of the hardest man you got to go. Let me see something I'm a hard to go. And then you hardest to me. You know you get us beside us. And you want to check out girl. Because I named that music. See them on the hush. 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 If he's not a man, do not sing. When I say all of the man never have woman, I'm so know with everyone watching out here. Hands up, so please. I will not like this. We have the gallery. I got the money on it. Believe me, the street for town. I will not like this. We have the gallery. I got the money on it. Hush. For me, see, I got the logo. Where you from, yeah? It's sweet, so that means we are going to stay. Sometimes you preach what you know me. We are going to put away the plate. We are taking a baby. And everybody knows me. Believe you, believe me, sing for time. We are taking a baby. Was a youth, my mama tell me say me can't 5, 6, 7, 8, I don't want it. The one bird, the business, I don't need that, yeah. She's a boy, me stab on me, I don't need that. Oh, you pick me now, sit down now, I close the road. I like time in the notice of the next level, bro. I have time to see her now, many now. Man, I like me, I don't fit. Oh, baby, I'm the young lady now. Oh, boy, I'm the man, you know me. Oh, don't be beautiful, let's see me get a sing, because I'm a book, you are way down. We have the young lady now. And everybody know me. Believe you.
Alright family, so a Beenie Man performance that yeah man, Zaga shell down UBS. Yeah man, it's a good look man. Yeah man, nice performance nonetheless, Very, very good turnout as well. Love the energy, love the overall production of the show. The band's going really well. Them is really in sync with Beenie Man. But nah, like, it was a great performance, you know. You want to think about the performance, people. Want to rate the performance or want to rate it? Let me know what exactly you want to think in the comment section there. So, you see me? Yeah, man, very good performance in my view, you know. So now we're going to take a look at Foota Hype. Yeah, man, Foota Hype. The day in the building at the UBS. Whole heap of people never want to say Foota got you there, you know, but trust me, the G got you and him shell it, you know. Yeah, man, take a look at the clippings, man.
Give it up for the viral king, Shawn Storm Beenie Man, Foota Hype. Foota Hype. Right now, we're going to Foota. These are you two, we are getting out. UBS Arena. For those Americans who are seeing me for the first time, thanks to Beenie Man for booking me for this event so you can get to see me. What you see is what you get. I am a Jamaican and I'm an immigrant in America and I ain't got no fucking papers. Okay? But listen to me now. Anywhere in the world me go, me not afraid to say me a Jamaican. Always be proud of where you're from. Shout out to my Haitians, my Bahamians, the people from the Virgin Islands, all my Trinidad people, big up yourself. My Bayesian people, big up yourself. All of my Jamaican people, they will love your place. But a loud black in here, no promise up. All Jamaican, put your hand here, sing. Turn on the right now. Them say a child shall lead the way. This name, Foota Hype and friends, and we have a little bit of time. But I'm going to show you to me a different tune. Forward, the first guest me a call out. Them say a child shall lead the way. Turn over the big bright light and put it right there, so. Me used to hungry and not have nothing. Sky Juice, them used to call me out of matter and them, and me a call out a selector. The youngest selector in the world. We are playing dancehall. Start up on the box and let them see us. Him live in London, England. Him parents them come from Jamaica from humble beginnings. Him know reggae music more than me.
Me know not too much chatting, his name DJ NJ. Me I go over this song, and you just bust up the place and then we come take the song.
Good evening. I want to hear you. I just want to say hello to everybody, much respect. I don't know if I want to just say thank you to Foota Hype for having me on the stage. And I really appreciate it. But really and truly, I have to bring up one of the greatest of all time in dancehall. Everybody, I want to hear a shot for Beenie Man there. Now, right now, I'm going to play this tune. And you see, there's a thing when you have couple, and sometimes a couple break up. But you see, sometimes couple fight as well. This is one of the eyes with a girlfriend. What you never play to me? What you want to do?
Yeah, people, so you see it in a Foota Hype that himself in a UBS, you know. Yeah, man, the G, shell it off, man. Yes, man, it's a good look. You see him forward through with a game plan and him execute, you see me? Yeah, man, he even bring out the little selector youth from England, him same name NJ. Yeah, man, it's a nice little addition that to him set, you know. Yeah, man, very good performance by Foota Hype, I would say. No people never really want to see Foota shell it in, but trust me, how him deliver. Me nah lie, him come through with a game plan and it work, people, you see me? Couple forward, well, me see him get in a place. Me nah go around, no. Couple forward, well, all a busy song them step out with. The Jamaica song, yeah, man, it connect, man. Me nah go around, you see me? Yeah, man, good look, good look, you see me? So it's just a few highlights we are presenting in the air, you know, people. Yeah, man, but stay tuned. We have our next one to drop shortly, you see me? Stay tuned for our next bomb.